Hello everyone. Waking up to colder days is always a bit of a struggle, but I'm making the most of it. I love how these products make my skin feel so soft and hydrated. And of course, I have to give a shout out to Dot and Key Lip Balm. It's a perfect finishing touch to my skincare routine. After getting my skin sorted, I'm moving on to cleaning the kitchen. It's not the most exciting task, but it needs to be done. It's so much more motivating to cook in a clean kitchen. I love the smell of a clean kitchen. It's like a fresh start, a chance to cook up something delicious. For lunch, I've got my fresh local chicken, and the first step is to clean out those feathers. Now that the chicken is clean, I'm going to cut it into perfect pieces. Here I'm using nagadao to cut the chicken into pieces. cooking the chicken with some ginger leaves, green chilies, and few other spices. It smells so good in here. After lunch, I'm giving my room a quick mop. It's amazing how much better a clean space makes me feel. I love taking the time to tidy up and make sure everything is in its place. Now, time to get myself sorted. I just got out of the shower and I'm wiping my hair dry. Time to get back to my skincare routine. I'm applying my products and feeling refreshed. I love taking the time to pamper myself and feel good about how I look. That's a wrap on my morning routine. Let me know in the comments what your favorite skincare products are. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot of exciting content coming up, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.